What's up, guys? I'm playing this game with that guy. What's his name, also? He's here. Oh, it's what's happening? Where are you? Mine's lagging. Oh, hi. You see me? I'm behind you. Ooh, I did that. Thanks. Hello, little bro. I'm just gonna kill more people. Kill the guy. Kill another guy. Where are you? Get the orbs, bro. What are you doing? Stop slacking. Lagging. Okay, I'm killing people. Oh my God! Okay, the next world. No, Isha! Mati mo dyan. Don't worry. Oh my God. Just get away from my punch, okay? Come near me. No! Hey dude, punch me. Oh, I forgot. I thought he can damage me only a little bit. Just gonna kill this guy. Don't worry, man, I made a giant creeper. Yeah. You can get all the orbs you want. Get the big ones. Upgrade your pet, bro. Upgrade your mythical pet. Oh, if you don't have one yet. Can you go to the next area now? Check. Oh God, you may need to stay away. Oh. I'm not telling you. We're in a different area. Oh my God, why do I keep killing you? You may want to stay away. Over here, there's a crater. A big one. It's a big one also. Where are you? I forgot to take prestige. You need to get just wait until it says first prestige. Get all the orbs as you can. Here, a lot of orbs for you. I'm gonna find you the thingy. I'm gonna find you a crystal. Where are you? There's a mega orb now. Don't worry.
Ryan, this video needs to be long.
What?
Every video needs to be long enough.
I am already recording.
No. It's just 4 minutes and you're already on the 4th world.
What? Oh.
The video needs to be like more than 40 minutes.
Yeah, for real, you're right. Like, punch me, huh? Punch me. Yeah, that's right.
No.
Kill anyone that tries to fight you. I'll be your bodyguard.
Ryan, be like mean to me and you will bypass your power. Like killing me.
You can't bypass my power.
What? Is that for real? Then kill me then. I have a coat.
I can kill you with you punching me, actually. Told you. I'm
gonna bypass you. Just watch.
Someone killed me. Goku killed me. Mananga, what's a reputation?
You're gonna be the villain on this video.
Kill someone. What is happening? Are you in the next area?
Stop following me. I need to do it alone.
I'm just
It's
gonna look.
really like I'm doing myself.
I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna look.
No, be like evil and kill me.
But if that... Now I just made another giant crater for you.
Come on. You're so mean. Go back to your own world. You evil.
Punch me.
Go back to your own world now. I wanna make the video long. I want this account to be good.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna in my own area. Oh my god. I want to just look at you, bro. Come on. I want to look at you. Fine. Oh. I made a cool passageway. I think we will go to the next area now. Why do you die when you get orbs? Oh yes, orbs. 6 trillion orbs is a lot. I'm gonna have to grind in this area. I'm gonna have to grind in Mars.
I wanna go to a new server, so it's like
Different?
yeah.
I just killed someone. For 0 absolute missing. Why are you on a different server?
They won't mess with you.
Come
And
on.
people won't mess with me too. Oh my god, what just happened? Oh!
Higher crater than I thought. Why is Isha here? You joined me. Where's Isha, bro? Where is she? You still there? I'm brown. I'm red. That's me. Isha, don't punch me or else you will die. Actually punch me. Because, yeah. I'm gonna open the world for you, Isha. I'm killing everyone I see, Isha. Are you in the next world now? Okay. Yes, sir. Get the big one. Oh, sorry. Ah, no.
Bro, I just got into... Bro, I was here, teleported here to here. I don't know what happened.
I wanna help you. Just kidding.
No.
Oh my god, come on. It's been 8 minutes.
No. I want this video to be long.
No. Oh, this critter. Isha, are you in the next world? What place? I punch it. What's that? What's that area? What area is that? I'm going to my own world. This is so fast. Yeah. Because I helped her. No, don't use the train. Come on, let me have fun. Come on, let me have fun. Don't do it in the goddamn terrain. Yes. I got, oh my god. Someone just, oh, the crystal. Yes.
for Acha.
You barely achieved, bro. Hey, Mananggab, you barely achieved. I'm also red.
Bow.
Yeah.
Already stage, it's a bow.
Just wait until you can reach prestige. It will tell you. Someone is gonna kill me. Yeah, Joe. Red.
I want a reborn. My voice will be reborn.
You need 1 VG punch power and you need to be the strongest in the game.
No. But I will be the strongest.
Mix a Katamil.
Oh no!
Alright. You are a rainbow. Did I punch a wall?
Yeah.
Okay, let me punch the wall.
You again?
Who?
You, of course.
Me?
Get out! Okay, that's not.
What, Isha? What world are you? Isha, what world are you?
Stop!
I think she's in world 11. Where is she?
I'm right here. And I'm yellow.
Oh, she's in the ore area.
I'm yellow.
She's level 8. Level 13.
I'm learning to level 9.
Killed someone again. Oh, I'm gonna be careful with that guy.
I'm at the next area. Congratulations. New area unlocked.
Congrats.
What world are you?
I'm world 12. You know it's hard to grind here, right?
Why is it like this?
Not telling you, I don't know. Only called, what world is that, 10?
I wish that guy was in here.
Every time you get in a new world, ask me for help, okay? Where are you?
Is it me? No. It's one of the persons.
I killed them. No
Try
worry.
to kill me.
No, that is a
Try
big...
to kill me. Try to kill me.
Why?
Kill me. No, please don't kill me.
Oh, sorry.
The new escape villain to show you evil and doesn't know he's actually afraid.
Call me if you have hardness, okay? I found a big one. Mananggaw, I found a big one. Here. Next to the crater. Over there. There's 3 big ones. Okay, I think I can help you now because it's been 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Come on.
I'm gonna try to fight back to the blue escape. I'm fighting back like a hero.
Okay, you can't even fight back.
Oh, thanks, bro. Is that you?
You can't fight back. Just telling you, the other worlds are hard. Level 13 is very hard. And when I mean hard, I mean hard. I used to grind in this level. Desert. Why does someone's punching so hard? It looks like he's punching out hockey, bro. Someone's using hockey as a punch. Need help?
No.
Me, I need help.
No. It's just me and Manonggab. It's Prime. We're in the end of the world. It's been 14 minutes. I found a crystal! Someone took it! I found a crystal but someone took it! server, Manong Gab. Let's wait for a private server. I'm gonna kill everyone.
What's that?
The what? Yes.
Why did you even kill me?
I didn't see you. I'm only gonna help Manong Gab. Manong Gab. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill Isha. I'm gonna kill you. Hey guys, Manong Gab. Isha. Fight. Guys, Manong Gab, Isha, fight. You're at the same level. Fight.
No.
You need help, Manong Gab? You need help?
Yes.
You said yes?
Yes.
Okay, let me get you help.
Oh my god.
The crystal!
Kilisha, Kilisha, please, please. Spare my life. Where's the crystal?
In here, in the small one, in the small one. Crystal!
Yo!
Yes, you got the crystal. You can go to the next one, I
Thanks,
think.
bro.
Let's go! You got okay, you can upgrade your pets. Auto feed, bro. Auto feeder.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Maybe you can down. You slowly use this hand. Can you see your pets? Whoa, you only have one? Can you see yours? What do you mean I killed you? That's not me! I'm at level 11, bro. You're level 10. You're not even here!
Enough. Because I'm already powerful enough.
Okay, let me see. Let me see you try. Let me see you try. You shall call me Sensei because I teach you how to play this game.
I'll play this game first.
I played this game since I was 5.
What year since you were 5?
Huh?
What year since you were 5? You're 8 years old, right?
Yeah.
Still and I played this game in 2021!
So, I still got higher than you. How does that happen? I'm still stronger than you. Plus, this was your new account, nigga. You know, you're lucky you don't have a tier 13 pet. You know why? You need 6.62 trillion orbs to feed it.
That's a baby.
Huh?
Oh my god, World 1!
You can skip like 5 worlds. Did someone try to kill me? Look at that.
Just killed someone.
You can't touch me.
Is there a Mr. here?
At the moment, just killing people. Killing people, bro. Oh, you're here? No, I just killed someone. Isha got prestige, Manong Gab.
What?
I think Isha got prestige. Do you have a pet? World 1 is the worst world. I'm killing people, bro. I love killing people.
Help me. I'm doing inch by inch.
Okay, hold on. Where are you? Where are you at, bro? No worry. Oh! Hot true! Hot true! Hot true! Oops!
Are you crazy?
Don't punch me, okay? Oh, this guy's stealing your stuff. This guy's stealing your stuff. Get out! Gab!
This video is fun.
Don't worry, I killed them. I hope there is no force field in this game. He took the big one too. And he finally the crystal.
Oh, yep. Thanks, bro. Crystal.
My hit gold! I almost got it, bro. Okay, I think you can go now.
Look at my hit, Darian, look at my hit.
What world are you now again, Darian?
I'm world 12.
Darian, look at my hit.
We're on the same page.
That's not really big.
Darian, we're on the same page.
Oh my god.
I'm just telling you. This game's harder than you think. This world is harder than you think. Get out so I can kill
I'm
this.
almost there.
I was supposed to kill the... Oh my god.
Am I supposed to be here? Oh.
Yes, you indeed are.
I'm already
Help me,
at the
bro.
new world.
Someone killed me.
Good boy.
Where are you?
Bro!
Don't worry. Boom. Kill him. Want me to fire the crystal again?
Oh my god.
Manangabo?
Yep.
I almost picked up the crystal. There's big ones, Manangabo, where I am. There's big ones in my place. Make sure to follow me. There, the big ones. The big bows.
No!
I got the big bows. And finally the crystal. Make sure to follow me, okay? Just don't get in front of me. Crystal! Just get it! Yes! Can you go in the next one now? Check! Yo! We're at the same page, brother. I can still kill you, right?
I'm already world 11.
I'm gonna kill this in world 11.
I got so many orbs.
Now, just to tell you, the next one after this is harder than you think. Even I can't do it. Guess what? Look. Yeah, it's harder than you think.
What is this? It's following me.
Give me another thing.
I don't
Darian, give me
know.
another...
It's my pet.
A punching?
No, crystal.
Crystal? Yes, sir. Don't worry.
Why can't I break a wall?
Because you're not strong enough?
Naubos the marble inside here.
What do you mean marble? It's called orbs. I found a big one.
Oh, good boy. Thanks, Darian.
I'll punch if you dare to call me a good boy.
Good dog. Okay.
I'll punch. Hey!
It's very small.
Jesus, shut up. I'm just talking about.
I really care much.
Actually, I don't care much about yourself. You too. But you too.
Infinity times.
Times.
You followed me.
You followed me.
Find me, crystal.
No.
But you can follow me still.
Good boy.
I'm literally a higher place than you.
Mental is almost at the same page.
You need level 14, which is not for newbies, by the way. Level 14 is definitely not for newbies. Did you just die?
Yes.
I killed you.
I died.
I killed him. Follow me, okay? I see you, Mr. Bunny Pets. Someone killed me. Where are you?
Bigger hole? This is so big for me.
Guys, can someone help me?
No.
Darian, where are you?
Kill someone.
Renan promoted!
I got demoted.
I killed someone. You're not even doing nothing.
You just killed me? You did not just kill me.
You didn't.
are you? Someone's in here that is super strong. That guy
Ow!
killed me. Who killed you, bro? Someone keeps killing us.
Is Hero Al Nigerosus.
Today, it's been 25 minutes. Are you doing that by yourself?
No.
Open the wall!
I'm gonna help you only one. Where are you? What world?
World 11?
I'm just gonna help you one.
Right here. You can break a wall.
I can't break a wall.
Where are you?
I'm at world 13.
Wait, where did you break a wall down?
Not really.
Give me the crystal now!
Bro, there's
You're not my lord. Come on, bro. Do you really have to be that blind?
You will need different something.
Bro, just look at me.
Ano dyan? Ha? Ano ra?
Oh, my goodness.
That was only one, okay? Only one. You just go through a wall.
Look! Oh! Where are you? You just disappeared. Shoo! Let's go now before someone kills us. Part 2!
I finally have the way.
Wait! Before someone kills us.
Migros, where are you?
Part 2!
Look at me.
Oh, yeah.
It's glitching.
Yeah!
I can see all of them.
Two min marbles.
Part 2!
I just achieved one. Oh, there's a strong guy. Crap, there's a strong guy.
It's for the crystals.
No! You're not stronger than me, right?
I'm stronger than you.
What is your pet?
Perfect bunny.
Mine is Red Demon.
Mine's still bigger!
Your thing not even upgrade, bro. Lil bro thought he upgraded. Upgrade your pet or something.
I only have odds.
Haha.
What?
Migros.
Oh, you want me to join me in the other account?
Level are you on our other companies?
Like me? Huh? You want me?
I'm sorry, fine. I'll find your crystal. I don't know.
You want to join the other account?
Please.
I'll join the other account. Oh, it's no limit even better.
What do you mean no limit?
And because this thing has no limit, my account has no limit. My account mastered limits and no limits.
I'm on top of the map. I'm on top of the map.
Okay.
I'm getting bored now.
Just wait till I have my other.
I'm getting bored. What level are you, bro?
Mine is level 50. Mine is island, world 15 there.
What just happened? How many kills did I just get?
You're a good hero. You're a bad hero? Or you're an evil hero or a good hero?
I'm an evil hero. Look how many good heroes have I killed.
I have a egg that.
Okay.
Oh, switch my other account. My other account.
Chimpanzee ni balang nililirila.
I still remember my other account.
What's your other account?
It's my abandoned account. I still remember the password. That's the account that is very powerful.
What account is it? Is it your Okud account?
No.
I'm getting on top of the map again. Crappy, what are you doing here? Poopy, what are you doing?
Underscore 0, 8, 2, 3. Password.
I'm getting on top of the map. I got on top of the map.
Oh, patience is waiting. Is this entertaining? Oh, patience is waiting. Is this entertaining? Achoo! Bro.
It looks like I got chewed, bro. Look. Right? Achoo! Well, I guess we didn't get out. Get out.
Oh no! Yes! I got in!
You want friends with me on that account? No. Let's give it speed. Come on! Oh, we did different one. I like it. So I got a account for I
I have donations on please donate.
What?
I have donation on please donate. And then donation.
What
My classmate gave me Robux. Also I bought the Mountain Family merch.
No, really. I really want that thing, okay?
I got the drip, you know?
How much Robux is that cost? Dad, give me $1.
You didn't know.
Dad,
It was 2 Robux.
Dad!
Ah!
Give me the thing, bro. Ano sa Avatar? Talking about that t-shirt.
You know about the drip?
Sa Avatar mo. Bigyan mo sa Robux. Dry yung ang color pula sa likod.
Look! FFOT!
Buti ko nara!
Drip!
Isha also doesn't know what I have on my other account. Sata. You don't know what I also wear. You don't know what I wear also. Okay? So?
What?
What? Yeah. You always say that.
I forgot. This is the reason why I quitted.
Oh. You can't play?
Oh wait, I saw a big diamond.
Manunggab. You don't know how I got this, right? This was all free, Manunggab. Yes, I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know that. The Robux.
Yeah,
The
bro.
drip.
So, what is a power?
At least I have FFOT, nigga.
What's a FFOT?
Fulton Family on top.
Oh,
Forgot about that?
I mean, I love Fulton, but he's not my favorite.
Oh no, my baby.
You like Kalis also?
Yeah.
Guys, want some?
Baby, sagot.
Guys, want to watch more scary on the TV again?
What?
Want to watch more Fulton, scary Kalos videos on TV?
We're gonna do a ritual.
I know what ritual we're gonna do.
How to spawn a ghost body.
Can I have her?
You're gonna have to.
Bye guys.